I'm sorry. Sorry. You're playing a video and hitting.
Next, we'll find and group trapezoids. Trapezoids are quadrilaterals that have at least one set of parallel sides. Think of parallel sides like the two sidelines of a capital H or a slanted H, since not all parallel sides stand vertical. Imagine these two lines going on forever. Do you think they will ever cross? Why or why not? No, they won't cross because they're straight and both going in the same direction all the time. How about now? Do you think these lines will ever cross? No, it still doesn't look like they'll cross. Even though they're slanted, they're still both going in the same direction and they're straight lines. You're right. These lines are parallel lines because they won't cross, even though they're slanted. How about these lines? Do you think these lines are parallel? Why or why not? No, I don't think they are parallel because if this line goes on forever, it would touch the other line. So they're not parallel. You're right. These lines are not parallel. If trapezoids must have at least one set of parallel sides, can they have more than one set? Yeah, at least one means one or more. Go ahead and group the trapezoids now. So as students are grouping, they will see shape A is not a trapezoid. It does not have at least one set of parallel lines. Shape B is a trapezoid. C is a trapezoid. Shape D is not a trapezoid because it does not have at least one set of parallel sides. E, F, G, H, I, and J are all trapezoids because they all have at least one set of parallel sides. Shape K is not a trapezoid because it does not have at least one set of parallel sides. And our last shape, L, is a trapezoid. So all of the shapes here are trapezoids because they have at least one set of parallel sides, and some of them have two sets of parallel sides. I'd like to draw your attention to the definition of a trapezoid, which comes from the geometry progressions. In this definition, it says that the term trapezoid has two different meanings. The first is called the exclusive definition or meaning for a trapezoid, and it states that a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. The second meaning is the inclusive definition, and it states that a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with at least one pair of parallel sides, and it is the inclusive definition that we use in a story of units.